So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 business ideas that you can start today for exactly $0, all of which can be run and scaled from the comfort of your couch. And the best part about each of these ideas is they can each replace your 9-to-5 job within a relatively short amount of time. With commitment and consistency, each of these business ideas has the potential to generate anywhere from $10, $20, even $30,000 per month, no question. Not only do each of these ideas have great potential today, like right now, but as we move closer to and into 2025, each of these businesses are going to have more and more potential and going to become more and more lucrative. Okay, let's jump right in. Okay, so the first business I'm going to cover today is honestly one of the most tried and true methods out there and is one of my favorites, and that is building and monetizing an email newsletter. This is something you can easily start for $0. There aren't any upfront fees and you don't have to invest any capital in products or any coding. You can literally start it by yourself. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. And honestly, it can even be done from your phone if that's all you have. This might shock some of you, but this is honestly one of the most lucrative opportunities out there. I mean, email is never going away. So it's one thing that you can start today, and it's something that's not going to phase out anytime soon. There are countless email newsletters out there. I mean, me personally, I subscribe to about 24 that I read on an almost daily basis, anywhere from tech, AI, cooking, YouTube growth, how to build an audience, all across the board. But you have to think there are hundreds of millions of people around the world that use email on a daily basis. Gmail alone has 1.8 billion users sending 121 million emails every single day. So if you believe some of the numbers and figures that I'm about to share with you can't be you, first of all, I'm sorry that you're living with such a limited mindset. I sincerely hope that this video can widen your view and belief of your own potential. Because trust me, this opportunity is out there and it is waiting for you. I mean, take Morning Brew for example. It's a business and finance newsletter that was started by 2 college buddies that sold for $75 million back in 2020, just 5 years after it was founded in 2015. Milk Road is a newsletter with over 300,000 subscribers that shares the latest in the crypto world. It was recently acquired for an undisclosed 8-figure amount, which is insane because it was only 10 months old at the time of purchase. And I'm pretty sure that the founders even got to retain some equity in the company. And then there's The Rundown with over 600,000 subscribers. They share the latest on what's happening in the world of AI and emerging tech. And it was started by one person, Rowan Chung, who when he started the newsletter didn't have any type of large following. He just started writing and sharing about his passion for AI on Twitter, and that turned into this brand, which I am sure is bringing in well over $250,000 in revenue every single month. You're probably wondering how I got to this number. Well, on his website right here, it says that the newsletter has an open rate of about 44%. So 44% of 600,000 total subs is 264,000. That means on average, 264,000 people open every email that is sent. When you divide that number by 1,000, you get 264, obviously. When you multiply that number by a CPM, or the cost per 1,000 opens, which is why we divided by 1,000 just now, of $50, you get just over $13,000. Bear with me, we're almost done. Well, The Rundown sends an email every single weekday, and let's assume that every email has at least one brand paying for the top tier sponsor spot. Well, $13,000 times 5 articles a week equals $66,000, which is $264,000 per month in ad revenue. And I'm sure that it's more considering that they usually have more than one sponsor on every issue. But I wanted it to be as conservative as possible to really illustrate the size of the opportunity here. I mean, just take 1% of that number. 1%. How great does an extra $2,600 a month sound to you? And to know that $2,600 would just be the beginning if you decided to take this seriously, just like Rowan did just 18 months ago. Speaking of making money, if you would like to learn about simple and scalable ways of making money online, go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now because I post 2 to 3 videos every single week. If you're not subscribed, you might even miss the one that could change everything for you. Now, there are a lot of tools out there that you can use to help you get a newsletter started and off the ground, but I wanted to highlight just a couple of my favorites here. First, Beehive. Beehive is amazing. I use it myself. Honestly, this tool alone can get you pretty far. It's super user-friendly, and you can get started and grow a list up to 2,500 subscribers for free, which honestly is a lot. By the time you're at 2,500 subs, odds are you're making pretty good money, which I think would justify upgrading to their paid plans that include just a disproportionate amount of value considering the price. I mean, even beyond running ads on your newsletter, Beehive has built-in clever ways that give you the ability to monetize and generate revenue with your newsletter. You have premium subscriptions, you have the referral program. The referral program is really powerful. When people subscribe to you, you can suggest that they subscribe to other people, and those newsletters set a budget for how much they're willing to pay you for referring a subscriber to them, anywhere from about 50 cents or $1 all the way up to $5 per subscriber. So if you're sending someone, 1,000 subscribers a month, that's an extra $5,000 just to refer someone to that newsletter. And Beehive has all this functionality built in. I cannot suggest this tool enough. If you want to check it out, click the link in my description. They're always running great promotions. Another tool I've used in the past and not many people know of is called Passion Fruit. Passion Fruit is used to streamline the newsletter management process. They handle payment and invoicing, scheduling. You can create a landing page for your pricing and booking pages, kind of like my friends at Snack Prompt here. You have the information about their newsletter, how many subs they have, and then you can see their packages, right? The first one, the combo, the newsletter ad, and the website ad, you see the price, and you can just book it literally from right here. You type in you fill in some boxes, you continue, you pay, and Passion Fruit facilitates that whole process. Shout out to Ali Abdaal for being one of the early investors in Passion Fruit. I love that guy's content. He is truly an inspiration. I think a misunderstood thing here is you don't have to have a huge following to get started with a successful newsletter. I think the key to getting started is just making a list of things that interest you and start talking about it on the internet. Start talking about it on X, start talking about it on LinkedIn, start making videos about it and posting on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and then every once in a while, you plug your newsletter. You start by writing a long form piece of content that can be used as a blog post and a YouTube script, which is something we're going to talk about here in a second. Taking that long form written piece, you can then make 10 to 20 short form written pieces that can be posted to sites like X and LinkedIn. And then after you create the YouTube video, you take a couple of clips from it, you post it across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And after a while, with consistency and doing the right things the right way, you'll start building an audience that you can start funneling to subscribe to your newsletter. The next business I think anyone should start moving into 2025 is an affiliate marketing brand. Now you can start this business for $0. It is possible, but I'm going to suggest a couple of things that will require a little bit of money, like $10, $20, maybe $30. But in the grand scheme of starting a business that can make a lot of money, that is basically nothing. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is where you promote a service or product that is related to the content that you talk about or post about on the internet. And when someone signs up and purchases that product or service using your unique link, you get a commission. It's pretty straightforward. There's plenty of platforms out there that make the process of finding affiliate programs easy, like impact.com and ClickBank, but oftentimes you can sign up directly with the brand themselves and they will provide you with a unique link. For example, I mentioned Beehive earlier. If you check the description below, it's an affiliate link. It's custom to me. So when anyone clicks that link and continues to sign up for one of Beehive's paid subscriptions, I get a commission. But there are companies out there with programs that will pay for you just the referral itself. Like Amazon's Audible affiliate program, you get $5 for everyone who signs up for a free trial. And if that person signs up for a paid subscription, you get another $10. The process of getting started with affiliate marketing is really simple. You pick a niche and you create a brand around it. Ideally, you pick something that you are passionate about or you're knowledgeable of. But if you can't think of anything, business, money, and finance are really great niches to go with and try out. For example, say I was interested in pickleball, I could create a brand called Pickleball Crew where I write about and share content about the world of pickleball. I could use a Canva template to create a profile picture and any banners I might need across all my social profiles. Then I would buy a domain with that name and create a free website using Squarespace and start posting blogs about the best gear to use, new techniques, how old people can get started playing pickleball, how pickleball is good for your joints. Now in those articles, I would be sharing value for free and I would include my unique affiliate links to the paddle I mentioned or the new pickleball app that I was talking about. And when you click on it, you get sent to Amazon or the company's website. And when someone purchases that product or that service, whatever it may be, I get a commission. So you have a website that's generating traffic and leading to sales, but you can also use that same brand and post content across all social media platforms out there. Obviously, you'll want to use the same name and profile picture across all of them. And then you create and start sharing content that's valuable and educational. And as your following grows, you'll have the opportunity to promote your affiliate links to more people, either in your bio or in the post directly, like you can do with YouTube videos or my favorite platform when it comes to affiliate marketing, Pinterest. Pinterest really is great for affiliate marketing. It's pretty easy to grow quickly and there's a lot less competition. You can promote links really clearly and effectively. And you have the option to post both videos and still images, each linking to your affiliate program. Now, the third business that I think everyone should consider starting is a YouTube channel. What I love about YouTube's potential is it kind of envelops the previous two business ideas and can be used as a top of funnel to help those methods become more successful quicker. You hear all day long about how saturated YouTube is, or it's too hard to grow, or this and that. I think it's all noise. New channels start every day and become successful. The main things they do is start. probably the most important step, and I encourage you to do it. Then they create the best content that they know how to make, which leads to keep going and give themselves an opportunity to get better and better until eventually one of their videos pop and changes everything. When you consider the sheer number of daily users there are on YouTube, which by the way is 122 million people, you come to realize that there's enough eyes and ears to go around for everybody. But what makes YouTube really awesome and why I love it and why I think it's one of the best opportunities to make money online is all the ways that you can make money. You can get paid through YouTube AdSense, sponsors, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, promoting and selling your own physical products, premium subs on your YouTube channel. I mentioned pickleball before, so I went and searched for some channels, and the first one I came across, Play Pickleball. It gets over 600,000 views every single month. And when you look at them on Social Blade, it says that they're making around $2,500 per month. But I think that's a little low because if you take their monthly view count, 630,000, and divide that by 1,000, and multiply that number, 630, by a conservative $5 CPM, or the cost per 1,000 views, you come out just under $3,200. I still think that's a little low, but that's just the revenue from YouTube AdSense. You can see here that the only link that they promote is their own website, which looks like some kind of pickleball coaching service, and honestly, kudos to them, but I think that they're missing out. They have 102 YouTube videos on YouTube that generate hundreds of thousands of views every single month, all of which are solidifying them as experts. Now, if this were my channel, I wouldn't stop doing what they're doing, but I would start peppering in videos every once in a while about the best gear out there, like the best paddles, the best shoes, and I would promote my own affiliate links to those products in the description below. For example, I'm gonna search best headphones 2024. Guaranteed, I'll find a popular video where the creator has an affiliate link in the description below mentioning the product. All right, boom, right here. Smart home sounds. Headphone buying guide 2024. Don't buy before watching this. We don't have to watch the video. Let's just go click down in the description below. Shop now, says in the UK. When you click this link, it opens up a whole website. I'm sure this is just a collection of all the products that they've talked about on their YouTube channel for months or years or however long they've been around. I mean, we can go look at them. Let's go back to their channel real quick. 122,000 subscribers. They've been around for about 10 years. They generate almost 650,000 views a month. But guaranteed, when you go to this, I'm gonna go back to their website. When you click a link, it kind of looks like they might be selling them directly. I don't know if they're drop shipping them. So opening this website up, when I click it, I expect to be sent to Sennheiser's website. It seems that they might be selling, this is actually a store and that's their YouTube channel, which is great. Obviously, it's a really powerful way to promote a brand, but that's not necessarily what I'm talking about. So let's go back real quick and let's go to Mike O'Brien here. Let's see. I know him. I recognize this guy. He's big on here too, huh? All right, let's see. So you can see here, these Sony headphones. It's got Mike O'Brien Media. You click on that. Let's see what it opens up. Boom, Sony, right here. So I'm sure whenever someone purchases these headphones, which he mentioned in the video, he 100% gets a commission for that. And I'm sure, this video alone got 1.2 million views. Let's say 0.1% of people bought headphones. That's 120 people. And say he got, I don't know, if these are $330, let's say he got 10% of that. Let's say he got 30, let's round down to $30. So 120 times 30 is what? Around $3,500 just for these headphones. If 100 people bought these headphones out of the million people plus that saw it, he's making an extra, a few $1,000s. And that really just shows the potential and power of, promoting affiliate links on YouTube channels and really YouTube in and of itself. But regardless of whatever business idea you're most interested in, especially the online businesses that I talked about in this video, there really isn't a need to spend a lot or any money at all to get started. You don't need another course. I'm not trying to sell another course here. There's so much free content out there that can help you get started and honestly can help you get really far. Eventually, and hopefully, you'll start to grow and the need to start spending money will become a necessity. But that doesn't need to keep you from getting started. Honestly, get started as soon as possible. Any business, no matter what it is going to take time and effort. There aren't huge shortcuts. The get-rich-quick opportunities, they're out there, they exist, but you can't count on them. The best thing you can do is pick something, commit to it, and expect to have to do it for a long time before it really starts paying off. Like and subscribe. I share videos like this every single week. It means a lot. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one.